Lawmakers have a snow day, but before they headed out of Jefferson City, more debate over if the state should prohibit businesses and schools from requiring the COVID vaccine.
Our Missouri Chief Capitol Bureau reporter Emily Manley has more on the major topic from the week. Emily?
Mandy, employees that work at facilities that are funded by Medicaid and Medicare had to have their first dose of the vaccine by this past Monday. Here in Jefferson City, lawmakers are trying to prevent places from requiring the COVID vaccine. But businesses and also nursing homes said this week that they want the decision to be left up to them.
An issue that I think that the public of Missouri has wanted the legislature to address for the better part of a year now.
In a state where vaccination among nursing home staff is the lowest in the country.
And we have had facilities who are in a closure process as well, and I imagine that situation will continue to increase as the next few days.
Lawmakers are trying to prohibit vaccine mandates.
As Republicans, I think we should leave businesses alone for the most part, but sticking a needle in your arm is a little bit more than that.
Head of Missouri Healthcare Association saying nursing home facilities are dealing with ramifications of the federal mandate.
Because you do have people who will not sign a religious exemption because they're not exempting to the vaccine for religious purposes.
Senators discussed a handful of bills this week, some preventing vaccine mandates at businesses, others offering more exemptions, and some even allowing workers to sue their employers over the shot.
To the point where an employer is getting that involved in someone's religious views is too far.
Those that spoke in opposition want businesses to decide.
This is a slippery slope. Today we're talking about vaccine policies in the workplace, but if we pass these bills, it's going to make it easier the next time that government seeks to intervene and intrude.
Not something that an employer will take lightly. In this employment environment right now, we're trying to find as many employees as we can.
Across the Capitol, the House gave first-round approval to two similar bills, loosening exemptions and allowing employees fired because of the mandate to claim unemployment benefits. But the biggest debate, not allowing an individual on a donor list to be denied an organ transplant for not having the vaccine.
A grave disservice by taking away the medical expertise that would say that this is how we make sure that this organ transplant is successful.
Now, none of these bills passed this week, but they're making their way through the General Assembly process. Employees that work at nursing homes or other facilities that are funded by Medicaid and Medicare have to be fully vaccinated by March 15th. Reporting live tonight from Missouri State Capitol Bureau in Jefferson City, I'm Emily Manley, Fox 2 News.